Hey guys, have any of you seen Caillou today?
Nope, who cares? He's probably in his room crying like a baby. Who's ready to go on an adventure? Ha 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 ha, what are you wearing? Hey, don't judge me, this is my adventurer gear, we're going on an adventure. Ha 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 ha. Shut up. Stop laughing, let's go.
Where are you thinking of going?
It's a surprise, you'll all see when we get there.
If you don't tell us, we're not going.
Yeah, I agree. I don't trust you enough to bring us somewhere that isn't Chuck E. Cheese's.
I'll go, I wanna see what he's talking about. Yay yay yay. Let's go. I hate class so much, we never do anything fun. It's always just random facts that Miss Martini finds from Twitter and spews out in class because she doesn't know any better. Watch where you throw the ball, you goof. Ha, get wrecked, nerd. Ah, I'm just kidding around. Wow, they weren't lying about that, there's actually popcorn in here. How hard could this possibly be? Oh shit, that did not go according to plan. Hey dad, how was your day? Awesome, cool, see you later, gotta go.
You're grounded for 923742238942355371648,298,974,283 years. You're done, moron. Why on earth did you put Gilbert out in the snow overnight? You're such asshole, you damn idiot.
Wah 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 wah.